was that? Are you excited? Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? Today is a special day. We are celebrating Lauren and Mia's birthday. Remi and I have been planning this day for at least 5 weeks now. If you guys didn't know, Lauren and Mia's birthday was this month. So we normally do like a joint birthday since their birthdays are so close together. Remi and I have been trying to plan this forever. We've gone back and forth with what plans we're doing today, but today is the day we're finally celebrating their birthdays. So if you guys are wondering why today is August 28th and we're celebrating it super late, it's because we could not find a day on a weekend where not only was Lauren and Mia free, but all their boyfriends were free, because we're gonna do like a joint thing with all the boys later tonight. But right now we are headed to Color Me Mine. Lauren has been talking about doing arts and crafts with all of us for so long now, and we all genuinely love doing arts and crafts. So of course, the queen of DIY and Miss Mia, we all decided to do Color Me Mine. So that's gonna be like the morning portion of our surprise day. We're doing a surprise thing after we do Color Me Mine, and I'm gonna go get their cakes. And then later today, we're doing a pregame at Remi's house where Remi made a bunch of snacks for everyone. And then we're gonna take a limo to a dinner at this really cute Mexican restaurant. And that's when we all get to have fun. So we kind of have like a party limo that is gonna pick us up and drive us so that we're all safe and we don't drive while drinking. I'm really excited for today. Hopefully Lauren and Mia enjoy it. I'm sure they will. I don't see why they wouldn't. I'm just doing my makeup right now. I don't know if you guys know this or not. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do an updated makeup routine, which I will do. I don't know if I'm going to do it today since I don't really have time, but I don't really wear foundation anymore. I only wear concealer now. I feel like that's been making my makeup look a lot more natural and less heavy, especially during summer where I feel gross when I have too much foundation on. Yeah, that's kind of what I do for my foundation. I just put little dots all over my face where I think I need it, and then I grab a brush like this, blend her in. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my makeup and then head on over to Lauren's house, and then we're gonna take them to Color Me Mine. I'm so excited.
I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Alright guys, my makeup is nice and done. I'm gonna link all of my makeup products that I use down below, just because I do get a lot of questions on how I do my makeup, but I just feel like I'm not a makeup guru and I really can't show you guys anything new about how to do your makeup. I just feel like I kind of do brown eyeshadow as like my winged eyeliner, and then for the inside you just use black liquid liner and do that special cat eye effect that everyone's been kind of doing. And then I just like making my skin look like I still have skin and it's not completely flawless, which is why I just don't use foundation, but I do use a lot of blush. I need to get changed because we're gonna go to Color Me Mine first. I am gonna change into like a hot date night outfit later tonight, but for now, we are doing arts and crafts, so I might potentially get paint all over me, so I want to make sure I wear something that I'm okay getting paint all over, but it's not that messy. Hi, shark. So yeah, let's get changed and figure out a cute little outfit to wear. Okay, for today's outfit, I could either wear some pants that are nice and comfy and stretchy so I can sit in it, or wow, did my voice just crack? Or I could wear a cute little dress like this. I think I'm gonna go with a cute dress, so let's put this little girl on. All right, so let's put her on. All right, dress is on. Look how cute she is. I love this dress. This dress fits me perfectly. I wish I can get it in like a million different colors. It's from Revolve, but it fits like a dream. Like it hugs everything perfectly. For shoes, I'm gonna wear my vintage looking Adidas. These are so cute. Matt actually got it for me randomly from Urban Outfitters a few years ago, and I just love them. They have very like old school vintage vibes, so we're gonna put these babies on. And then last thing I need to accessorize is of course some hoops. I always wear gold hoops. These hoops I've had for a very long time. I'm not entirely sure where they're from, but let's put these babies on. Wow, I am so good on time. Tiffany, I'm so proud of you. I think Color Me Mine is only gonna last for maybe 2 hours, 2.5 max. The last time Matt and I stayed there for 3 hours, literally because Matt could not figure out what he wanted to paint and then like kept going back and forth. So I feel like all of us are very intentional and decisive. We'll probably be able to finish in like 2 hours, and then then I'm gonna go grab the cakes, then come back here. Matt and I are gonna get ready, then we're gonna leave around like 5:30 to go to Remi's house, and we're gonna have to Uber because we're gonna get a limo picking us up and everything. Oh, also for a backpack, just using this one from Princess Polly. Nothing special about it, doesn't exactly match me, but she's very cute. So full outfit. This is a full outfit. I am ready to hang out with friends. All right. Hi. All right. Good girl. I'll see you later. I just got to Lauren's house and I asked her to save me these maple cream cookies that are from Canada. And I wish she bought like 18 boxes of these because these are fucking amazing.
You go home and you were thinking about that?
I was literally so sad. Okay, so for Lauren's channel, we all filmed a video called My Best Friends Try.
No, my American ass friends try Canadian snacks.
And I rated these like a 9 out of 10. And at the end of the night, Lauren was like, do you guys want any snacks? And I said no because I was full, but my dumb ass regretted it the second I got home. So we got snacks. I also brought some trolley gummies with me because I did not have lunch yet. What was that? Are you excited?
I've never been here before.
Oh my god, it's so fun. Hello, we have made it to Color Me Mine. We have table number 8. There's so much to choose from. This Color Me Mine is so big compared to the last one I went to. The hard part is honestly figuring out which item you want to paint. There's just so many options. Oh, this is kind of cute. A little bowl. Okay, the employees at this location are pretty freaking talented because these are the ones they've done at this location. That's some mad skills right there. Oh, it's like a salsa, like a guacamole bowl.
Wait, I think I would actually use this a lot.
Yeah, like a serving platter. That's pretty cute. So far, I've just grabbed a catch-all tray, but I feel like this is very boring. Like I should just do something cooler than this. Okay, so I have decided we're doing an olive oil dispenser because Matt and I love our olive oil, but it definitely does not come in a cute little package like this. So I might honestly copy these people and do the exact same thing-ish. Remi, of course, has already started. She's like, I got this. I know exactly what to do. Lauren has yet to decide what she's doing. Mia, how's it going so far? She's got the cutest little mug.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Wow, look at that focus. Remi's is looking so cute.
Thank you.
Wow, also look at Lauren's.
Oh, that's so
an
funny.
Artist. Okay, so I'm still way behind everyone. I'm still working on this olive oil thing, and I figured I'm gonna make half of it blue, the other half is gonna be white with green accents, and we're gonna screen print a butterfly. We'll see how this goes. I really originally wanted to do this, but I should have honestly done this. But then we got Mia's. I feel like it's like your personality in a cup. Are you gonna do black dots, or what else are you doing with yours?
I can't decide between black or white seeds. What do you guys think about
White. I think white would be cute. Okay.
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway.
Okay, so 2.5 hours later, we're all done. Me being the last one for sure, but I think it's so cute. Lauren's is definitely the cutest one. Look at that.
No,
Look how cute that cloud is.
rude.
I'm sorry, Mia.
I feel offended.
Remi's is really cute as well. Wow, I can't wait to see what they look like. Hi guys, that was a complete success. Holy cow. I think Mia and Lauren had a really good time. We kept talking about doing like more fun activities like this in the future, so I'm glad they had a good time. For lunch today, I have some Alfreds, and Mia was super nice and picked up some Alfreds for us while Lauren and I were still finishing up our projects. So I got this cheese Danish that is so good. It has cheese, garlic, chili flakes in it, and it's like sweet and savory, but like a little spicy, and it's like the best thing I've ever had. And then I got an iced vanilla latte. Right now I'm gonna head out to Milk Bar to grab Mia and Lauren's birthday cake. They love birthday cake flavored birthday cake, and I personally think Milk Bar has the best ones. We normally get Susie cakes for them, but I wanted to switch it up this year. So I'm gonna go grab the cakes and everything and have them like write happy birthday to Mia and Lauren on the cakes. And I might pick up a Milk Bar pie as well because they're famous for their pies. I personally never tried them, so I kind of want to just buy both and try them and see how it is. But also that might be my fat ass talking. I'm kind of hungry, so I kind of want to buy like all the treats for everyone. But later today, Mia, Lauren, Remi, and all of us are gonna meet up at Remi's spot. We're gonna do a little pregame there. Lauren and I are actually gonna meet up a little bit earlier, around like 5:55 at Remi's house, because we're gonna buy our first NFTs together. Matt has been super into NFTs. He bought his first one yesterday, and so I looked up a bunch of NFTs that were launching and getting released this weekend, and there were these really cute mermaids called Simp Mermaids that are getting launched today, and they're only about $300 USD. So I'm gonna go buy some. I'm gonna buy my first NFT, which is actually crazy because I feel like everyone's kind of talking about it right now. I wish I got into NFTs when everyone was talking about them like 6 months ago. But when I was in college, my freshman year of college, my boyfriend at the time was mining Bitcoins, and I thought it was like the stupidest thing ever. Now Bitcoins are worth like $50,000. And if I had bought Bitcoins at the time he was talking about them, which was like $100, I would have been so rich, so rich. So I'm trying to get into NFTs before things go crazy and I regret it, so I'm excited. All right, we made it. Okay, so these are all the cakes. Hi, can I get a 6-inch birthday cake? Can I write something on it?
Yeah, what would you like it to say?
Can I say happy birthday, Mia and Lauren?
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Alright, it's $98. Okay, if you'd like that. Alright, and you pick up the
I just got home and I wanted to show you guys the birthday cake. It looks so pretty. I want to eat one of these little cookie things so bad. So these are like cookie crumbles, and inside of it is like 3 layers of delicious, the best freaking birthday cake ever. And then I also got the Milk Bar pie, which is like this ooey gooey buttery thing, and it's on top of oat cookies. I don't know what it is, but I've heard so many things about this. I've always wanted to try it, so we're finally doing it today. But yeah, I'm excited to relax. I feel like I've been like out and about all day long, and we have to leave in literally less than an hour and like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna relax with Matt. We're gonna talk more about NFTs. Oh my god, I feel so adult saying that, but like so excited for tomorrow, so excited. Hey guys, so we just made it to Remi's and she decorated so cute. We got some decorations, we got the blue, we got the birthday balloons. Wow, a party.
Hi, dude. The attitude. Yeah.
She's a big sister. Remi's famous fried pitas are here.
Ooh, our dips are in the fridge.
Oh, the dips are in the fridge? Wow, nice and hot. These are so good. And I'm about to stuff my face with Remi's famous spinach artichoke.
I hope it's good. Is that a yeah?
I will be sitting here this entire time.
Yay, I'm glad.
Remi, can't wait for that cookbook to come out. All right, Remi just made me a drink.
Oh, very cute.
Oh, that's good.
Hello. Weird.
Hey.
Hello.
This is your bathroom.
I think I'm
Where are you?
yeah.
Look at you. I barely recognize you that you're an NFT collector.
Oh wow.
Next time you get the fuck out. Or not.
Y'all need to get on the spinach artichoke dip. It's so good and it's still warm. Okay guys, I've been wanting to try the crack pie from Milk Bar this entire time. We're gonna try it out together. No one else is curious about it or wants to try it except me. So
You gotta just gotta be
No, they're like they were closing. They're from Kentucky.
This whole thing is he was.
they're good,
Are these like out? Where
but not amazing where I would get this again.
Sort of like Twitter, that kind of thing.
But it's good. Definitely like a 7 out of 10.
Can I have a picture? And I was like, is that the mall? They're saying squish. No, it's not. It's
No, I know. But
Lonely, you're the reason why. What was that? Feel those butterflies when I go to sleep.
Alright guys, our limo is here.
Come on, guys, let's go. He's outside. He charges by the minute.
Remi made me 1 drink and I'm so buzzed from the 1 drink. But I have another drink. So we're getting really fucked up tonight.
Another. Okay, are we all ready?
I'm like I should drink water for sure. Holy shit. Party bus is here. Hello, hello. Thank you, sir. Wow. Wow. Oh man. Hell yeah. Wow.
Amazing.
We made it to the restaurant. Petite Tacqueria, here we are.
that's what I was thinking.
Alright, chips and guac came.
Hell yeah.
Yum. The amount of food we ordered is actually disgusting, but very excited. Cheers!
You taste how expensive.
Woo!
Cheers, Tiff.
Cheers!
Cheers, Tiff Mom.
Wow.
Hey guys, what's freaking up? It's Tiff Mom. That's all I got.
Tiff Ma?
It's Tiff Fine.
True friend over here. Thank you. Wow, look at the churros. Oh my god.
Those look good.
Oh, I am sharing for sure, but I also don't want to.
I like
oh wow, wow. Thank you guys.
Too much?
No, never too much.
Never too much. Never too much.
The hairline on top.
Wow. So many lights. So many. Wow, thank you guys so much. Wow. We got lights. I'm blind. I feel like I'm a paparazzi. I'm not that famous.
You're a star.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Lauren and Mia. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yay!
Both you crazy bitches.
Make a wish.
Make a wish. I'm here. You want to?
Hey guys, so it's a couple days now. Honestly, that was like the funnest night ever. I'm so happy Mia and Lauren had a good time. Literally, we just ended up eating at Petite Tacqueria for the rest of the night. We were gonna karaoke at Remi's spot, but I think all of us got a little too drunk and all of us just wanted to go home because we're all grandmas and grandpas, you know, wild till 9. Shout out to Remi for literally being the best host and having us all over for the pregame and making literally the best snacks ever. I fucking love you, Remi, if you're watching this. But I just wanted to give a special shout out to Petite Tacqueria as well. Their Mexican food was hands down one of the best Mexican spots I've had in LA in such a long time. Honestly, I'm really picky when it comes to Mexican food just because I feel like I grew up on very authentic Mexican food. And I also dated a guy for 5 years who was Mexican who also made really good authentic Mexican food. So for me, I don't know why, I'm just really picky with Mexican food. And Petite Tacqueria literally just, oh my god, made my fucking mouth drool. But yeah, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry this ending part is so long, but if you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below. This is gonna be so random, but comment down below what is your favorite toilet paper to use. I feel like everyone is very specific about the toilet paper they use. I have to use the Charmin Ultra Strong. It just hits different when it doesn't break underneath your booty hole. So what is your favorite toilet paper? But yeah, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.